It's a beautiful spring morning here in Corona del Mar. I thought I'd share with you a bit of my garden. It's just lovely out here with a nice breeze. As you see, I am growing a lot of my own aloe vera, which I put into my smoothies pretty much daily. And these two just love it out here. We have to keep trimming them back because the energy here with the San Pedro cactus is just amazing. So they're loving their home here. We also have more aloe on this end, and it is blossoming. These blossoms, or these little yellow flowers, are actually edible, and they're delicious. You'd be surprised. You'd think they'd be bitter because the aloe leaf is bitter. Not at all. They almost have a bit of a sweet nectar taste to them. Now we're looking over here on this side. Look at this. I don't have a lot of space here living near the beach, so it's amazing what you can do here. There's some squash. We have a variety of beets and garlic and tomatoes. Look at the tomato plant. Isn't that great? Got some greens, Swiss chard, and over here we have a few, oh, look at that. Look at the berries. Can you see that? Let's see here. Can you see these berries? Look at that. This is my small berry plant, but I mean, just the garden responds to love. And we've got, obviously, our strawberries. Yes, yes, over here. Gentle breeze. We've got some roses and passion flower up in the tree here, which has become a trellis at this point. And it's a relaxing hammock. Oh, more aloe vera and San Pedro. More aloe vera and San Pedro with flower blossoms that I have pretty much munched away at. I love those flower blossoms. They're delicious. And again, more aloe vera over here. More greens, carrots, peppers, raspberries, and then this lovely, lovely bush of blueberries here. Oh, can you see them all? There's just a lot coming forward here on this plant, and such gratitude. We also have Myers lemon tree over here. There's a few lemons coming forward there too, and a stevia plant. So that's what we've got growing out in this little garden. We've got more in the front, in the courtyard, herbs and spices. So they just wanted to say hello on this glorious, glorious spring day in Corona del Mar. The peaceful tranquilness of a garden, being serenaded by nature. Nothing like it. And then coming down here, I thought I saw some little pommy boy down here. Hi, pommy boy! Now, I just want everybody to see the true guardians of my garden right here. Their names are Salty. There he goes. Garden. And Skipper. Yes, very much the guardians of the gardens. Thank you, boys. Salty, do you have anything to sing to us today? Can you sing to us a pretty garden song? Let's see. Come on, Salty. Are you ready to sing a pretty song? Love, love, love to the garden. Salty, sing. Oh, woo. Very beautiful, honey. I know there's more in you. Thank you, guardians. We love you. Bye.